Today, guys, we are making a scene. Well, hello, isn't it my little angel? What do you do to me, you star? Don't call me star. I'm the Star Night Queen. Why? So you will be there, alone in the dark later. You're in the Since your friends are all not here, time to close the lights. Whoa! Now, today we are going to do something. It's just, but later we are not going to close the lights because it's the sunshine. I show you. What you never!